birthday to you. May good luck go with you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Hinaot, magkita pa ta. Kamitin ko, kung kina'y maunang tuminyo na to.
Happy birthday, Maring Cora. I wish you all the best and happiness, good health, of course, and may the mighty God grant all your heart's desires, more power, and God bless you always. Love you, Mare.
Hi sis! Happy birthday! Inautunta nga maayong imong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw manatawan, ika 65 birthday. Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday, Lola Angging. I hope happy ka karon sa imong birthday. I just want to say thank you for everything. Thank you for your love. Thank you for spoiling me. Thank you for your help. You know ba, lalangin kay every time na madto ka there sa Davao, kay mo ba ako ginatabangan sa akong homework. Remember last time sa English, nagpatabang ko sa imo magpabuhat og poem. And kabay baka ako ba ang highest ato sa classroom namo.
Ko sa iyo ang
Yes. I really appreciate that. Ang wish nako sa imo is good health and happy life. May God bless you always po. Bye-bye. See you soon. Balik diri sa Davao ha.
Hello, gang. Surprise ka, no? Ingon nila maghatag daw ko og birthday message. First of all, I want to greet you a happy birthday, happiest birthday. Wish you all the best in life. More blessings, more happiness, and of course, good health. Salamat gikaiging for being a good friend, good cousin, and of course to my kids, ako mga anak, maayo ka kay sa ila, labi na si Yera, palangga ni mo si Yera, palangga sa gani Yera pod, sige gud siya pangita sa imo. So salamat gi kay daghan gi kaing salamat king, sana di ka magbago forever. Sana masaya ka sa imong birthday. Gusto ko sana nga mag-attend sa imong birthday, pero saan taman nakabook naman kog ticket nga pabalik. So pasensya na. I love you, gang, from the bottom of my heart. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Angge! Many more birthday to come!
Happy birthday po, tita. Bless ka po sana ni Lord palagi. Pag-ingat pa po palagi. Yun lang.
Happy birthday!
Hello, nang Angging, nang happy birthday nang wish you more birthdays to come. Hope you're enjoying your coming birthday. Sorry nang na-late ko sa akong pagpanala. Sa akong birthday greetings ka. Medyo na busy ko na. Naot ta, magpadayon na yung kabaskog, kagwapa o kabutan sa inyong adlaw na ka. Happy birthday nang Angging. I wish you all the best for you as a mom to your children. Happy birthday!
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Kita pagwapa day. Pagwapa naghanay imong happy birthday. Itsa ang uban na rin be. Pataban sa hangin. Dalhay imong birthday din eh. Kanang lami. Kanang gwapo. Kanang lami kayo. Itsa na yun din eh. Oy. Mag-ato na yung kuskugman ha. Kakatoy mong giingon ay pagkalimot. Ala. Tagay kog lami din he. Itsa. Padala. Hello. Bye-bye. Have a good time, darling. May you have many more days and happy birthdays to come. And many more cakes to slice. That's all. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday. Ulay manok, na karne, pulos tambo. Bye-bye. Bye-bye na. Oh, wala na.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tita.
Ate Angging, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ate Angging. God bless you, God bless you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Angging.
Hope tagaan ka kanunay sa kabaskog sa panlawas o dugang nakatuigan sa imong natawhan o magmalipayon ka karon sa imong birthday. Happy birthday again. God bless you, ate.
Happy birthday nang na wish ko nga ikaw maabot pagka sa mga daghang na katuligan. Tagan pagka ni Lord o daghang paging birthday. So, God bless. Nara.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mami. Kasi ko
Hi, Mami! Happy 65th birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo ay sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng napakaraming blessings at good health sa'yo. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng malakas na mga katawan, inumin mo yung mga maintenance meds mo, at i-enjoy mo lang ang senior citizen life mo. And lastly, ay i-bless tayo ni Lord para makapasyal ka rin dito. Happy birthday!
Mami, hello. Happy 65th birthday. Stay happy, stay healthy, and more birthdays to come. Sana 100 years more pa ang magiging birthday mo. Ako nagpapasalamat na ikaw ang naging ina ko. Wala na akong mahihiling pa sa Diyos. Dahil ikaw yung tipong naalala ko dati na pag nangangailangan ako, at dalas centavo, binibigay mo pa sa akin. Kaya di ko makakalimutan yung mga panahon na yun. And then, yung pagiging humble. Lagi yung sinasabi sa akin, kahit saan ako magpuntan, lupalop na mundo, kailangan, napaka-importante yung humility. Kaya yun ang natutunan ko sa iyo bilang isang ina. Same time, Mami, sana yung pangarap mo makapag-travel abroad or makapag-ikot sa buong lupalop ng mundo, sa iba't ibang lupalop ng mundo. Sana matupad mo at in God's time, sana palarin tayo, makasama kita, makapag-ikot tayo sa States. Yun lang, Mami, sana mapasaya ka namin sa binigyan namin munting celebration sa 65th birthday mo. Wish you a happy birthday and enjoy your day. Birthday, Mami.
Happy birthday, Mommy. I can't imagine what life would be without you, Mommy. Just want to thank you for the love, care, and support. Even that I got married in an early age, you were there to support me all the way. Thank you for that. And you're an accomplished mother. Just cherish it. Enjoy the moment. Enjoy your day. Again, happy birthday and I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.